Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Mini cordless handheld vacuum cleaner from Silvercrest. Cordless, practical and versatile use in the car, home or office. With rotating handle for compact storage. Also suitable for inflating items such as airbags, beach balls, mattresses and more. With HEPA filter and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Some accessories and the prices. And of course included we have the cable, type A to type C. It is about 30 cm. Included at the box we have this nozzle with brush at the front. You can use only the crevice nozzle or with a brush. Maybe you need to clean your keyboard. It is very soft. You can do that. For inflating items, the adapters and the main unit, rotating handle. On a black and grey container, transparent. The handle, it works and like a handle. On-off switch. We have two LED lights on the front. First mode, only the LEDs. Press and hold. Or you can just press and hold without the LEDs. And of course we have the Type-C port here if you want to charge this unit. It has a 2000 mAh battery. You can charge it from a power bank. .5V to amp power adapter, it is your choice. Later I will fully charge it. To remove the container, just rotate. Inside we have the dust filter, HEPA filter, silicone rubber around, soft pad here. It will lock very well, so it will prevent any dust to go away and damage the motor. We have this cover inside. Nice. The motor inside. Clean the container. Maximum it has 150 ml capacity. Press, rotate and it will lock. Fold, and at the back you can insert and the blower. Definitely I would like to test and fill up with air my air mattresses. It is very small, practical, convenient to use. You can have it anywhere and use it whenever and wherever you want. And we can see the 3 LED indicators here. It is the capacity for the battery. I think it is near fully charged, but I will charge it. When it's charging the battery, it's flashing. Never mind, let's wait until it will fully charge, and then use it, find out the suction power and how long it will take to fill up with air mattress. Fully charge it. Nice and clean. Let's check the container. Everything inside. Small amount of dust. Here are the motor. So let's clean it. Very easy to clean. I have used this vacuum as a blower. Clean the filter and the container. And again, now let's use it as a blower to clean my keyboard. Or you can use it as a vacuum and again clean your keyboard, any sensitive area, your furnitures, wherever you want with this brush. Using Andelight. Use this blower to clean sensitive equipment, blow away debris from your patio or garden, or inflate your mattress in seconds. This compact and efficient vacuum is perfect for quick clean-ups and handling those hard-to-reach spots around your home. Its lightweight and portable design, which makes it incredibly easy to handle and store. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful suction to effectively clean dirt, dust, and crumbs from various surfaces, providing you with freedom to move around without being restricted by power cords. The rechargeable battery offers ample runtime for small cleaning tasks, and the quick charging capability ensures it's always ready when you need it. The easy-to-empty dust container and washable filters make maintenance a breeze, keeping your vacuum in top condition with minimal effort. The included attachments such as the Gravis tool and brush allow you to clean tight spaces and delicate surfaces efficiently. Its combination of portability, powerful suction and user-friendly features makes it a standout option for any household. Use it at your car, at your camping, anywhere, at any time. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more product reviews and home cleaning tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.